Hey, hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club.
Welcome to a new tutorial series of Kotlin. First of all, I want to tell you no prior knowledge is required to learn Kotlin. You will get PDF after every session and also get the assignment. This is the tutorial basic to moderate. No prior knowledge is required. You will get the PDF notes and assignment and also get the practice sheets. Kotlin is a modern and trending programming language. Kotlin is the official language for Android development. If you are interested for Android development, then you should know the Kotlin language. And the most interesting part of the Kotlin is very easy to learn. What is the Kotlin? Kotlin is modern and trending programming language that was released in 2016 by JetBrains. Kotlin is fully compatible with Java. Kotlin works on different platforms Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Kotlin is free to use. It has big community and where you write your code and practice your code. So you can go to the Google and type play.kotlinlang.org and there you can practice your code. Otherwise you have to download IntelliJ IDE. In the next video I am going to talking about how to install IntelliJ IDE. So why are you waiting for? Just follow the tutorial series, just learn the Kotlin, and after learning Kotlin just create some amazing Android apps. And what is the best benefit of this tutorial series? I keep every video in short timing because you will never get bored from these videos. So why are you waiting for? Let's dig in.